XPNV experience 7224E serial, and you type the driver download and XP 7224E. This is why I am search the official website for you. I am like the download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for the official website, and click here support.xp.com and xv xp nv inspire 772. This here for support 7224E, and you click here for the Windows, choose different operating system, and this here for this slide here, this here for the much operating system for the Android, iOS, Linux, and Mac OS, and a Windows driver. And this here for the Linux the driver, and this here for you. If you need download, you click here version, click change download. I'm testing for the Linux the driver. This here for the new driver for Linux 12 and Linux 11, and this here Mac 8 and Mac all the driver, and this here for the Linux the drive for the Windows driver. This here for the new version Windows 11 driver, and this here Windows 8 driver, Windows 7 driver. Okay, this video you need to download driver Windows 11, and this here for the Windows 11. Click here and click change, and please wait driver loading. And this here for install XP Smart App to complete setup and support for the printer. This here for the support printer install driver, scanner frag share file and diagnosis fix. And this here for maybe not Wi-Fi. This here for the all support operating system and install online. This here for the firmware, and this here for the installation software and full basics, and this here for the install offline, and this here for the install online file. If you need download install offline, you click here. This here for XP Easy Start Printer Setup software. You look in the version, and this here for the version, and this here for the full driver full, and this here for the XP Star print setup and software. This here offline use only, and this here for the download the driver. Click here. This one finish driver download. Okay, this is the driver download. Okay, please wait to finish driver download. If you need install online, please wait. If you need install XP Smart Windows 11 online, you turn on the printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, and you connect the internet access. You click install. This here for the detect it automatic for the install the driver. If you need install offline, you please wait to finish driver download. This one finish driver HP Easy Star, and this one finish. And if you finish, you click open, and you click double click here. This here for detect run the file. This here for the detect run the file install setup. And you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB automatic for the cable printer, and this here for automatic install. You click next and finish the download the install driver. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below description. Thank you for